You don't need to wait to be monetized on YouTube to start making money on YouTube. Hear me out. If you're already posting content to reach out your 1,000 followers and 4,000 hours views in order to make passive income on YouTube, there are actually ways of doing that. Even if you don't have an audience, even if you don't have many watching hours or many views on your videos, you can start getting monetized. Actually, I made my first passive sales 1 week ago of £100 just by posting my YouTube videos, and I am not monetized yet. I have like 850 followers right now as the moment I talk, and I still made £100 from YouTube without having like any monetization, anything in place just yet. But I'm going to explain you how you can do it to start monetizing, so you're not just creating content, you're actually getting paid for it. So what I have done to start monetizing my YouTube channel before even getting started, but bear in mind, I already have like big audience on TikTok, on Instagram, so something I knew already. I'm just sharing with you so you can start with no audience, with 0 followers, and just posting content. I started adding like affiliate links and also digital products sales page inside my YouTube description. And when you are posting about a specific topic, no matter what is your niche, if it's art, if it's gardening, if it's coding, you can start getting paid even you're not getting the views just yet, or you don't have the followers just yet. People are ready to buy from you and to buy information from you when you are posting videos, when you are talking about a specific topic, and you should get this as an opportunity as to get like some kind of payment, whether it's from affiliate marketing or it is from digital products. How you can put this in place, I'm just going to show you in the description. I'm probably going to focus on the affiliate marketing setup because like creating digital products take a bit more time. I have a few videos on this if you want to check it out, but otherwise I'm going to show you how you can start getting paid from products you don't have just right now and start getting commissions out of your YouTube videos before you even get monetized. So you're not just posting content for the sake of reaching these 1,000 followers and 4,000 hours views, and you can start getting paid before that. So for transparency, the first sale I've made was for my passive income course digital product roadmap. I made £97. It was out of a video I created around digital products, and it's just to show you that if you are creating content about a specific topic in a specific niche, which we mostly do, right? You can start recommending products you are using yourself as affiliate. I think that's the easiest way of making money right now on YouTube, but you can also create digital products. You can also sell your services, but as affiliate is so easy to set up and to get started with. This is what I'm going to show right now. So as you can see here, this is my description. I have like a link to my free guide. I have links to my offers. I have a link to another offer and my other social media links. So this is what I would put. I will always put links that are related to the video. I will never put like something around digital product if I talk about growth, for example. So just bear in mind, you need to make sure like you are actually logical in the kind of products you're choosing. So now how you can start using affiliate links for yourself, how you can set it up. I'm going to do it with Amazon. I already have an Amazon associate account to use affiliate links. Just for the only reason that Amazon is available for most countries and most people know Amazon, so they're really likely to buy from Amazon. So you have so many products in there. You can have affiliate links for every product and make commission on it. So let's just get into it. So on Google, you're gonna look for Amazon Associates, and that's going to be the first link probably. You will be able to sign up. Then they will ask you to fill out like several forms with your name, with your date of birth, etc. Also like what you are focusing on, like if you're doing a blog, content, etc. So you can share your social media in here. You don't have to have a website. Your website can be your YouTube channel. So just bear in mind this, and you fill this up. And then you receive this message showing that you can actually start having affiliate links. So then you will arrive to this dashboard where you will be able to see your earnings, if anyone buy from your links, and you can start generating links from any kind of products you want to put in your description. Then I will go into tools and put SiteStripe. SiteStripe will allow you to generate links all the time you're on Amazon, like referral links, and it's going to be so much easier to get links for yourself. So I would recommend you to just start installing that. But normally it will be automatically installed if you use the same account than your Amazon associate account. So I have here, it's showing the commission rate, for example, for this painting set. So it's 1%, which means I will not be making much if I'm selling this. So I'm going to pick something else. Okay, as I was doing this, I was actually looking on the different commission rates per category, so you have an idea about like what kind of categories will bring you bigger commissions, and I'm going to share that with you so you can have a look. So I actually found this. So in terms of commission, the highest is Amazon Games, and then we have all luxury, beauty, luxury stores, anything luxury, and then everything digital, I guess, and handmade, and after we have like the rest. Everything like around PC, toy furniture, like everything around home improvement and baby and beauties is 3%. And then anything around Amazon devices and jewelry, watch, luggage, shoes, handbag, accessories, 4%. So if you have it in the fashion mode or home improvement mode, that's going to be a good one. And then all the rest is around like, 1%. And televisions, etc., PC, same 2%. So you may want to tap into like this top 6. Like this, you will get like a higher commission rate. It's not very, very much, but bear in mind, like people are used to buy on Amazon, so they will be more likely to, purchase from you there. You are on Amazon website, you sign up to the Amazon associate account, you will pick your product, you have this banner, and at the end of this banner, you can get your link. When you click on the button, it's generating a link, and this is the link that is going to go in your YouTube description for people to buy this. And if they buy from your link, you will get a commission. So this, you will have like your ID, and you copy paste this in your YouTube description. In there, when you are creating the video, or even after, you can just change that afterward if you want to. This is a great way to start making money, especially if you have a very targeted niche. I know people who are talking about cameras, who are talking about like very technical niche, tend to have like more success with affiliate marketing, because people are looking for recommendations, they're looking to buy the products, and they're most likely to do so with someone who is talking specifically about that. So this is a great way of getting started. There is not just Amazon. I was not expecting actually the commissions to be that low. You can find like really good affiliate programs. You just put like the name of your niche affiliate program on Google, and you will have like much higher commission rates, between 10 to 20%. This would be like much more profitable than Amazon right now, because I feel like 4% on a product that is at like £20 is not that much. So you want to make sure you find something that is beneficial from you, that will get you like some money. But otherwise, if you don't want to do this, you can still create digital products in your niche, ebooks, courses, trackers, planners, you name it. You can create that to start getting monetized. And that's it. I think these are really great options to start making money before waiting to be monetized by YouTube, because it does take ages for some of us, and you can start earning without having to do that. So if you are getting started and if you want more information on one or the other, please let me know in the comment. I will make sure like to break this down a bit more if you need extra help. But I think it's a great way, you don't lose anything of doing this. Put it like affiliate links in your description if it's related to what you're talking about. If you're doing like a beauty tutorial, you could like link everything you are putting in your description and start making commissions out of this and getting paid, because you shouldn't start making content and spending hours of creating amazing piece of content without having some money or without like building for the future. And let's say one of your videos is going actually viral, this could be so beneficial from you. You could make a lot of money doing this, get a lot of passive income with affiliate links, with your digital products. So you make sure to actually start putting this in your description. Nothing to lose, right? So I wish you an amazing day, and if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment. I would be more than happy to do videos about it, and see you soon.